You put something in front of
We're
it.
we're doing a blind, deaf, and mute fake challenge, and we're making chocolate chip cookies, the worst ever ones. Okay, how do I stop it? It won't work. Okay, we're all ready now.
Wait, I can't breathe.
Okay, first, we're going to get out.
I don't know where I am.
Oh, okay, so first we're gonna get out the.
Ready?
Can y'all guys get like.
Get what?
Can you not breathe?
I can breathe.
Oh, it's loud? I'm loud? Wait, get like all the ingredients.
Riley, I couldn't breathe.
Austin, I need you to grab,
How am I supposed to grab anything?
Austin.
What?
Austin.
What?
I need you to grab. You can't even read. I need you to grab 1 cup of unsalted butter.
How am I supposed to? Okay. No, I got that. That's easy.
The fridge is right here.
Okay. No, I got it. No, I got it.
I got it.
I got it. I got it.
Go,
I got it.
go ahead.
This one?
Okay, wait, stop talking. You need, you need 2 of those, okay?
I don't know what color they are.
You need 2.
I don't know if it's salted or not. Tap twice if it's salted. Which one's unsalted? They're both unsalted? This one's salted? What? Okay. Wait, Lily!
Okay,
Lily!
it's 11:57.
Lily!
Tell my mom.
Which one? This one? Or these?
She's saying no.
Oh.
You need 2. These 2. Put this back. She's storming it out.
Where is it?
Continue unwrapping this. So Riley is. Am I loud?
Yes.
Riley is doing.
Speak up!
My.
Why is it so quiet? Who's calling me?
Riley is making. Austin. I don't know where the top of
Answer.
this is.
What's the name? Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Is there any more wrapper on it?
There is someone calling you. Wait.
Wait, what's the name? Lily, what's the name?
Ew, this is so gross.
Bro, y'all told me to do the... What are y'all laughing at? Wait, I need more paper towels.
Stop washing your hands.
Wait, why? Kobe. Green. Wait, are you right there? Move. I'm gonna throw it into the trash. I'm gonna throw it that way. Green. No. I said I was gonna do it.
Riley, all there is this.
I said I was gonna throw it that way and you didn't move.
You touched my chest. Bad boy.
Then move.
Come over here. Come over here. Austin, what are you doing? Austin, unwrap the butter.
Where's the butter?
Over here. Come right here. The cup is right here.
Put it in my hand. Okay, watch this first try.
Do you need help?
Where's the cup? Lily. In here? In here?
Yes. Place it inside. I want you to go to the microwave and
I don't know.
I'm kidding. Stay here.
What's that? What just happened? Oh, it's that thing. Stop. I'm nothing but the man in the mirror. I'm gonna get some paper towels.
This is 10 minutes. A spoon?
Paper towel. I don't want to go in. Nah, I'll stop myself. Wait, Riley. What's the person's name Mufasa? Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Hey, can you throw this away? Can you throw this away? It's the trash. Wait, does it say
Recycle or trash? Recycle?
That's not the trash. Bro.
Kobe.
Okay, this says it has to be cooled for 5 minutes. But I don't want to. That's not melted. Outside the wind blows. I hear your voice low. Oops.
Why is it ready to talk? Oh.
He can We're gonna pause. We are back, and I put the butter in
I thought that was my phone.
bowl.
I feel offended.
You need half a cup.
What do I do
Are you
now?
done?
What do I do? What are y'all laughing at? Why did I say two?
What should he be doing?
I don't know.
Austin.
What?
I was gonna say tell Austin to get me.
What do you want? Why am I always the one getting stuff?
Come here. Come here. Can you get me half a cup?
How am I supposed to tell?
Just try your best.
Almost unmasked. Half of a cup. That's 1/4. Wait, is that actually 1/4? Riley, is that 1/4? 2 taps is yes.
I need half.
Okay.
Wait. Hold on.
This is 1 cup.
What do you do?
This. That's either a third or half.
Riley. That's not a half.
What is it? Is this a half? This is a
Wait, put
cup.
this in your hands. Let go. Let go. Bring this to me.
You're right here. Why do you want me to bring it to you?
Ow! Ow! Austin, come here. I'm going to give you a hard task. Come.
Oh,
Dude,
what do I do?
I need you. Hey, I need you. I need you to get half a cup of sugar.
How am I supposed to tell? Is this half a cup?
Get a half cup of the sugar. Austin, no. Look,
How am I supposed to look?
you're supposed to dig in there, level it out, okay? And then you have to find the bowl in front of you, and you're gonna put it in there. No! Wait, put both hands in here. Level it out.
What do I do now?
I'll level it for you. Pour it into the bowl. Wait, there's something in front of you. Go around it. Am I loud?
Go around what?
Okay, wait. I'm gonna put your hand here. Turn it. Turn your... Perfect. Okay, do the same. Hey, do it the same. Do the same with this one. Put the cup, fill it up, but you have to pack it. You have to pack it, okay?
How do I pack it? What is this?
Yeah, pack it in there. That's perfect.
Do I do it
Put it in the bowl.
more?
Yeah, that's good. Put it in the
Here?
bowl. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna mix this. Just stay by. Stand by.
Wait, you know that one guy in Little Nightmares with like the long arm? And he's like blind? Yeah? That's how I feel. We fart?
Can you get me
What?
2 eggs?
Oh, you were talking to Riley.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. When is this gonna end?
Austin,
What?
I need you to hold here.
Where's my phone?
Austin, turn to Riley. She's going to get you eggs. You are going to crack eggs into the bowl.
No! I suck at cracking eggs.
Wait, not in that bowl. We're gonna give you a separate bowl.
Sound like my math teacher.
I have a separate bowl. No. Crack it on the side of the bowl. Crack it on the side of the bowl. Oh, wait.
What?
Do it over here. Now crack it in front of the bowl.
Can you tell me if there's shards? What do I do?
Put it in. It's okay, put it in.
What?
Open. You did it!
That's the first time I've cracked eggs on my own. I'm a cook. Proof anyone can cook.
You gotta write this on a piece of paper. Spider? Move it. Move out of the way. What?
I don't know.
There's an egg in here.
Are y'all looking at me?
Riley, do you want to? You want to that?
Ow. Baby, I'm proud.
You can't hear me? Tell me after. Okay. Do number 5.
What?
Do the moonwalk. Okay, stop.
Why? Who is sniffing?
Hey, I need you to put the chalky strips in. Perfect. Oh, yes, perfect. Wait, Austin. Go over here. Walk sideways. Turn. Here, there's a cup right here. Put the bag on the counter. Take the cup. Fill it. No, more. All the way.
How am I supposed to tell?
Perfect. Now put it in the bowl in front of you. Turn. Yeah. Yeah. Do another one. Am I quieter? Another.
I dropped one on the
Am I
floor.
more quiet? I'm whispering. Oh, 'cause I can't hear me whisper. Yeah, in the bowl.
I don't want to. Oh.
Turn. Perfect.
I heard that. Wait, I dropped one on the floor. Did y'all get that?
I ate it.
Oh.
We are done with the food.
For real?
Now we're going to cover it and for like 30 minutes.
What? What?
That's our break. It's 12:27.
I can take it off?
We'll be back maybe in the morning.